I'm Veronica Giles, Events and Community Services Manager here at Dtec, and I'm really pleased to say that we have been having an event today with Legal Advice Middle East. These kind of events are great. We really like having them here at Dtec. They offer a real benefit to our startups, and we're really pleased that Legal Advice ME have come in today to do this event, and we plan for it to be the first of many.
So we got really good advice on the basic issues we had with our startup, which is employing people and also taking care of our day-to-day operations.
Today I had a great session with the help of legaladvice.com since we were looking for some funding, and they came at the right time to help us. The right people I could find from legal advice, even the people, the process, and especially the pricing part, which is very sensitive for us. We got a lot of benefit. So thank you very much, and we look forward to working with you in future.
I have a problem, legal problem, and so far I get the roadmap now to how to deal with it. Thanks to Legal Advice Middle East for arranging this with Dtec.
We're at the very initial stages of launching our product. We're literally less than 6 months old. So therefore you can imagine we had a couple of legal questions in mind that we needed some assistance with. And today I was pleased to have a quick session with one of the legal consultants that Legal Advice Middle East works with. It was a relatively quick but very fruitful session. As a startup owner, I appreciate the opportunity given again, and we'll look forward to seeing such events in the future. Thank you.
Today I attended the workshop, the Legal Advice workshop by Legal Advice Middle East, and it was extremely helpful. It will help us avoid a lot of problems in our startup, and hopefully it will help everyone who attended today. Thank you so much for having us.
As a startup, there are many things that you need to know about contracts and negotiations, about making sure that you're covered at all times, and even if you are looking for investors or if you're looking for future investors, there are many things that we need to know. And we had a very useful session of Q&A. The lawyers were very generous for giving us from their time, and overall I would say that it added a lot of value for sure.
I thought it was very useful, especially at the stage that we're in, because we're seeking investment, and just understanding what are the typical mistakes that we would typically expect for some of the startups to do. So it's good that we sit in a session like this instead of having to leave and make our own mistakes and then learn about them later.
As a startup, I have a lot of questions, but I think the advisors who came here were very helpful, and I think I would continue associating with Legal Advice in future. Thank you.
There were lots of points that were important for us and also new.
This activity this afternoon is really helpful for me. As we go live this afternoon, I was able to talk directly to the lawyers, and their advices are awesome. You can get it for free if you visit their website. But what we got this afternoon is really amazing. Thank you, legaladviceme.com, for all the support.
I've been a part of Legal Advice ME since day one, and I found the platform to be greatly helpful. One of the great benefits the lawyers can derive out of Legal Advice ME is that they're always up to date on what the client's issues are and what are the common practical challenges that they're facing in today's world.
A tool such as Legal Advice Middle East, I think, is a great tool for both lawyers and clients. First, it's a pool of lawyers that are saying, hey guys, I'm here, and here's my profile, and you're going to choose the lawyer that suits your profile.
I'm constantly answering questions, which helps me to get back to my books and use my books. And I'm very happy to give something back to the community without charging them, and it is definitely free for them. So I would advise everybody that please come to this platform, ask questions, and we are there to help you.